Hi guys, yeah, good evening. So yeah guys, I have something to tell you, and I know you guys following our vlog for so long, and I made a video about Kyla that I don't allow her to have a boyfriend yet. Yun yung nag-usapan namin dati. But she just told me yesterday that she likes someone, and it's already her boyfriend. They've been in relationship for 2 days already. I get upset because I don't really want her to have boyfriend for now, because she's young and I want her to focus on her studies. But yeah, she's 17. She's not a baby no more. Yeah, but at least she's being honest. She don't hide it from me. And the boyfriend, I think he's a good kid, because after my work yesterday, he went to my department, and even the mother was there too. Very tall. Oh my god, he's a very tall kid. He's not shy, and I like it because he's not shy. Yeah, I feel upset, but I also have to try to understand, and to support my daughter. I know, but she's 17 and I can't stop her no more, I guess. Yeah, hopefully her grades won't go down. I told her that I don't want her grades to go down, and we see. And she have a dance coming. Anthony is very supportive. Is the one who talked to me about it, that Carla is not my little girl no more. She's 17, so I should give her a little bit of freedom. Kaya yun ang gagawin ko. Ano na lang, laging pagsasabihan, at saka mag-guide sa kanya. Kasi if more strict siguro ako, baka siya, sipangan basin mag-rebuild siya ba. Yeah. And that boy, he have a good grades. He also plays sports, and he still have a good grades even though he plays sports. I think it's good for Kyla. But yeah, I'm always worried for my kids. I just want them to successful, before I'll die. Because guys, I grew up with a poor family. I work hard, very hard. At ayaw kong maranasan ni Kyla guys yung napagdaanan ko na paghihirap, ganon. Kaya pinupush ko talaga sila na mag-aral ng mabuti. Kasi someday pag wala na kami ni Anthony, pag wala na ako, yung sarili na lang niya yung aasahan niya. So if mag-aral siya ng mabuti, at least man lang makapagtrabaho siya ng maayos. Hopefully hindi hadlang yung pagbo-boyfriend na yan. I'll try my best to be a supportive mom. So yeah guys, and tomorrow we have to go to the mall, buy dress for Kyla, and the boyfriend will go there too. I just want to see what Kyla buying, so he can buy an outfit for him to mag-matching daw sila ni Kyla. And also the mother will go there So I think it's perfect, you know, para makapag-usap mo lang kami. I mean, para makilala ko din sila. So yeah, Kyla, she look happy. She really look happy. So yeah guys, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. Today we're going to buy a dress for Kyla for her winterland party ba yun? Ano yun? Basta. And then the boyfriend also there. I don't really want Kyla to have boyfriend, but I guess I have to be supportive because she's already 17. Can't say no more, I guess. I just want Kyla to go to study hard. No boyfriend yet, but siguro dapat ko na lang intindihin din yung feelings ni Kyla. I guess, yeah. Kinausap ako ni Anthony na ano daw, hindi naman daw bata si Kyla, she's already 17. But you know, Kyla's always my baby. For me, she's still my baby. But anong magawa natin? Eh, yun nga eh. So yeah, we're going
buying some clothes.
Hey, are you ready to go shopping?
Yes.
Not for you, it's for your Ate Kyla.
It's my turn. It's my day today. It's my day today. It's not this day. Haha. It is my day.
Tell Ate Kyla, it's always my day. Every day.
It's my day today.
No, it's always my day, every day.
Right, it's always your day, right? Guys, yan. Ang lamig dito. Oh my God, the weather changes like that. So cold. Yung every day, hatid ko si Kyla, si Thea at saka si Kyla sa basa. Oh my God, I'm freezing. Ang lamig-lamig, guys. So yeah, see you later, everyone. We are on our way. Ano siya, mga tams. Lahirang mga mall diri kay dili pareha sa Philippines ba nga. Maabot og 4th floor. Dari dili. Mga kuan na siya, mga parang normal na nga ba, no? O mga mall diri.
Ang mall diri di dagko, di ko. Di para sa New York City.
Sa New York, kinuwan. Pero dili, mura siya mga normal nga mga balay. Mga restaurant diri, guys. Mura lang mga bahay. Mga mugbog ra siya diri. Pero bukad. Bukad. Tugnaw na po. Diri, guys. Tugnaw niya mo. Init po kayo. Weird kayo ang weather.
Weird weather.
It's not like the Philippines that it's warm all the time.
Sometimes cold if it's
Sometimes it's cold if have a typhoon. Kung na, I mean, in kuan, oy, in Baguio. Bugnaw, makugayo po sa Baguio. But not here. I mean, not here. Not in Bohol. Guys, dagko kay mga karsada ari. Mani siya mga karsada ani. Dagko.
sabi ko nag-light this.
%50 off. nervous.